Amazon, Google, Meta and Microsoft, they all love this kind of problem in interviews. So let's solve it fast. So there's a geek who has forgotten his locker password. He remembers just two things, the number of digits n in the password and the total sum s of those digits, right? Now our job is to find the largest possible number of n digits that adds up to s, right? So let's write a function largest number where n is the number of digits and s is the sum, right? So we start by initializing a variable sum to s, right? And we also declare another variable res and we initialize it to an empty string to build our result, right? And we also declare another variable I to start checking each digit from 9 down to 1, right? So we start a while loop that goes from digit 9 down to 1, right? And if our current digit I is less than or equal to the remaining sum, which is held by the variable sum, we use it, right? We add it to the result and also subtract it from the sum, right? Else we move to the next smaller digit, right? Now if the sum becomes 0 at any point in time, we just break out of the loop. And also if the result becomes longer than the required digits n, right? In that case, the output is not possible and we just return -1 in that case, right? Now after coming out of the loop, if the sum is still not 0, that is if the sum is greater than 0, it is impossible basically to form the number and hence again we can just return -1, right? Otherwise, we just pad the result with trailing zeros if it is shorter than n digits, right? And finally, we just return this as the output of our function, right? So that's the entire solution. I hope you understood it well. And now for a detailed explanation of this problem and also about the greedy algorithms, please check out the full detailed video in the description and also in the comment section. Happy coding!